All right, guys, so we're with my potatoes right now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow a stem. Y'all can see the stem right here. Follow the stem down, and I'm just going to pull the dirt back following the stem down. Now, there ain't no telling where these potatoes are going to be. They could be shallow, they could be deep. I'm hoping they're deep. They get better moisture content down there. Now I'm just going to follow this down until I find me a tater. Looks like this one's going to be really deep, y'all.
On that side over there.
There's another stem. Let's follow him down. Hey, there we go. Found one, y'all. Ooh, that's a big one. Look at this, guys. Now, when you dig these potatoes like this, their skins are going to be really soft, and you can take and literally pull the skin back with your finger. Just like that. That's what's going to happen. That's a nice sized tater, y'all. So this tater is actually pretty much ready to get. So I could dig up all these rows if I wanted to. But I ain't going to do that. This is for supper tonight. And, well, I only need a few of them. So I'm going to dig up this plant and, well, see what all I get. All right, guys. Let's see what happens. All right, guys. Now that I know there's taters here, I'm going to take my pitchfork and just start turning the dirt and loosen it up. And hopefully I don't stab any taters, but if I do, I do. We're going to be eating these tonight, so not too worried about it. I see a tater. Tater 2. Let's see if I can pull these plants up. All right. So these are nightshade family. The potatoes are. So I don't want them in my compost bin. Tater 3. I'm going to be kind of sad if I only get 3 taters off that one. Ooh, found some more. Four or 5 there. There's 6, 7. All right. Oop, chicken feed. I found me chicken feed. All right, set him off right there. Give him to the chickens. All right, that looks like all we're going to get from that plant. And I'm going to leave the rest of the plants alone for right now. So that's what we're getting. Well, that's enough for us to have supper tonight. And we're going to be taking care of picking some squash, picking some beans, pick up all these taters. Look at there, guys. 7 taters. All right, so we're gonna pick that squash, pick the bean, well, the English peas, that is. And, well, I'm gonna do some grilling for supper. But I had Johnny from Round Scout's Table ask what is my favorite type of garden tool. and I got 2 of them. But doing the video, I had a slight incident. So, yeah, we're going to jump to that one, and let's finish up with my favorite garden tool. Johnny over there at Scout's table, well, he kind of asked a question, and I thought it'd make a pretty good video. So he asked a question, what is your favorite gardening tool? Well, I thought long and hard about this, and well, I got 2. See, both of them I use quite often in the garden. And one of them I find more useful. The other one is, well, it kind of makes me happy to use it. So guys, what am I talking about? Well, my first favorite gardening tool is my pocket knife. Y'all always see my pocket knife on me. I use it to cut vegetables. I use it to dig holes. I use it for pretty much anything. And well, I probably use it beyond its own purposes. But my pocket knife, I love having it. Now, the one that makes me happy to use, and well, it's kind of fun, is Mr. Smiley. Mr. Smiley. See, Mr. Smiley is a round edge hoe, has a sharp edge, and it has a couple of different purposes. The first one is to go below the soil and skim along, cutting off any roots, any weeds, or anything like that. Second purpose is to dig up bigger roots or bigger plants that you don't need, just like that. The third, I can create a ditch line with it, guys. Look at this. So I can create a ditch line with this, plant my seeds, and turn around with the same thing and cover it back up. So guys, this has got to be one of my favorite garden tools because you can do so many different things with it. It makes me happy. And also, you can do stuff like this. Do 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 do. Oopsie, I just destroyed my pepper plants. All right, guys. So this is what happens when you play around in the garden. Oopsie. And my nephew is about to have a conniption fit laughing at me because he told me not to do this. But yeah, it happens. So I'm going to go deal with this little disaster and see what I can salvage of it. Oops. All right, guys. This has been Michael with Frogfoot Holler. Y'all have a froggy day.